Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to understand another important compound of carbon and which is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is being very important because in Chinese food generally we are using ethanoic acid as a vinegar. So the 5 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid or ethanoic acid is called as vinegar. Okay. Generally, vinegar is used to preserve the biological specimens in laboratory also. Okay. So let's start the physical properties of ethanoic acid. So first we have to understand what is ethanoic acid. So carboxylic derivative of hydrocarbon is called as ethanoic acid, from which we are going to study about the carboxylic acid which have only 2 carbon atom in it, which is ethanoic acid. Okay. So first we have to understand the physical properties of ethanoic acid. So the ethanoic acid is in liquid state at a room temperature. Generally the normal room temperature of houses is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, ethanoic acid present at a liquid state. Okay, its molecular formula is CH3COOH. It is CH3COOH. Its structure is CH3C double bond OOH, and this structure is called as carboxylic group. This group is called as carboxylic group. Okay, that's why we are saying that the carboxylic derivative of hydrocarbon is called as carboxylic acid. Okay, next, it is the colorless liquid. It do not have its own color. It's like a water. It do not have color, and it is commonly known as acetic acid. So ethanoic acid is also called as acetic acid. Next, the boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degree Celsius. Okay, but the boiling point of acetic acid or ethanoic acid is 17 degree Celsius. So below 70 degree Celsius temperature, ethanoic acid freezes. It looks like ice. That's why the solid acetic acid or ethanoic acid is called as glacial acetic acid. Okay, it is also called as glacial acetic acid. So boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degree Celsius. Its melting point is 17 degree Celsius, and solid acetic acid is called as glacial acetic acid because it look like ice. Okay. Next, the aqueous solution of acetic acid gives acid test, in which it turns blue litmus paper into red. So we know the litmus test of acid. What litmus paper? Which litmus paper we are using? Blue litmus paper. How it turns? When we dip the blue litmus paper into the acid, it turns red in color. This is the test of acidic nature of the substance. That means ethanoic acid or acetic acid is acidic in nature. Okay. 5 to 8% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is called as vinegar that we are using in food or Chinese food like vinegar. Okay. So this is all about the physical properties of ethanoic acid. Okay. So first you have to write down and do memorize, because this is the very important part of your ethanoic acid part of your chapter. Okay. So write down now. So now we will understand the chemical properties of ethanoic acid. So first, we have already been discussed about the chemical properties. Chemical properties means nothing but the chemical reaction. How our substance reacts with other substance. Okay, this is nothing but the chemical properties. So first chemical property we are going to understand the reaction of ethanoic acid with base. Okay. So first chemical property we are going to understand the reaction of acetic acid or ethanoic acid, you can write also, with base. Okay, so we have to write the ethanoic acid formula, which is CH3C double bond OH. It is ethanoic acid. Okay, it is the acid when it reacts with base, and base like NaOH. Okay, instead of writing OH this side, I am writing this side. Okay, it is again nothing but NaOH, sodium hydroxide. I am writing in this side OH group because here we can decide the product. Okay, so here if we will write this H like this, then this is the product which is called as water. It is OH and H will form H2O. It will form H2. So we have to write H2 on product side. So what will remain here? It will remain here CH3C double bond OONA. That will be our main product. It is CH3C double bond OONA. Okay, it is sodium ethanoate. It is called as sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. Just you have to remember, this is nothing but the ester, which is the salt of sodium. Okay, so we have to write the name of the reactant as well as product. So it is ethanoic acid. It is sodium hydroxide, which is the base. It is sodium ethanoate. It is also called as salt of carboxylic acid or sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Instead of carboxylic acid, we can write ethanoic acid also. Okay, and it is the water. Okay, so this is the reaction. Now we have to write the description for the reaction. Okay, so I am writing the description over here. So first you have to write the description and the reaction after that. Okay, so the description will be, so what is happening in reaction when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is the base, it gives sodium ethoxide, which is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and along with water is formed. It is a kind of neutralization reaction. You know, in neutralization reaction we have already discussed in our acid base chemistry part. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? The reaction in which acid reacts with base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, ethanoic, it is the acid, sodium hydroxide is the base, it is nothing but the salt and water. Okay, so acid reacts with base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, so it is the neutralization reaction. Okay, so we have to write the description for the reaction. So when ethanoic acid reacts with base like sodium hydroxide, they form they form sodium salt of carboxylic acid or ethanoic acid. In bracket you can write the name of the product also, sodium ethanoate and water. And you can write one more point. It is neutralization reaction. It is the neutralization reaction. Okay, so this is all about the reaction of ethanoic acid with base. Okay, so write down this, then we are going to understand the next chemical property of ethanoic acid. Okay, so write down. Now we are going to understand the next chemical property of ethanoic acid. Okay, when it reacts with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. The basic difference between sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate is it do not contain, or we can say it is the very hard and it is the very soft, because it is used for the washing of clothes and it is used for the eating purpose. Okay, as we are using ENO powder to reduce the acidity of the stomach, that ENO powder contains sodium bicarbonate powder. Okay, so their formula is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 and sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. Okay, so just remember their formulas, sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate. Now, first we have to write the reaction for sodium carbonate. So, sodium carbonate, how it reacts with ethanoic acid. So we have CH3COOH, or we can write it as CH3C double bond OH. Okay, CH3C double bond OH is ethanoic acid. When it reacts with sodium carbonate, it is Na2CO3 gives, see, when any reactant contain carbonate group, the carbon dioxide will always form. So our one product is confirmed, which is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. See, again we have sodium and carboxylic group, then will form sodium ethanoate. It is CH3C double bond ONA. Sodium ethanoate will form. Okay, or it is also called as sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Then what will remain here? See, we have 2 sodium, so we have to multiply this product by 2 in order to balance. Now, sodium is balanced, but the carboxylic group is not balanced. So here again we have to multiply by 2 coefficient. Okay, now from here, when sodium reacts with ethanoic acid, will form sodium ethanoate. That time this hydrogen atom is released in the form of H positive. Okay, and from here CO2 is formed and 1 oxygen is remain here, and here 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen and oxygen will form water. So another product is water. Okay, so this is the reaction, how it proceeds. Okay, so we have to write description for the reaction. First we have to write the name of reactant as well as product, then we will write the description. So it is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, it is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, it is sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate, it is water, and it is carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now we have to write the description for the reaction. So when ethanoic acid reacts with sodium carbonate, reacts with sodium carbonate, gives sodium ethanoate, water, and carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay, so this is the description and this is the reaction. Okay, so sodium carbonate is done. Now we have to write the reaction for sodium bicarbonate. So it is for Na2CO3. Okay, now we are writing the reaction for sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. Okay, so the reactant, one of the reactant will be the same, and which is CH3C double bond OH. It is ethanoic acid. Another reactant, instead of sodium carbonate we are using sodium bicarbonate. The formula is NaHCO3. Then product will be the same. It is CH3C double bond ONA plus water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, but the basic difference is here we have 2 sodium. For that we had to write 2 ethanoic acid group, because for 2 sodium metal 2 sodium ethanoate will form, but here we have only 1 sodium atom, so 1 ethanoic acid will sufficient. Okay, so we have the name, see it is ethanoic acid. Okay, लिख देता हूं, it is ethanoic acid. It is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. It is sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. It is water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, see the description for both of the reaction is same, but the difference is instead of sodium carbonate you have to write sodium bicarbonate, or you can write here itself or sodium bicarbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so you have to just replace, instead of sodium carbonate you have to write sodium bicarbonate. That's all. This is the description for this reaction. Okay, I hope कि आप इतना सा कर लोगे. Okay, so students, here we have completed the chemical properties of ethanoic acid also. So in this video we have covered what is ethanoic acid, all the physical properties of ethanoic acid, and physical as well as chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Okay, so this is the full, we have already studied about the uses of ethanoic acid. It is used used in vinegar. It is the edible. That's why 5 to 7% aqueous solution of vinegar is used in food, generally in Chinese food, instead of acid. Okay. Then another use is it is the industrial solvent. It is used for the various industrial solvent as a medium. Then we have already understood about the ethanoic acid, which is nothing but used to form the salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is all about ethanoic acid. So students, for better understanding, do keep repeat this video once. Okay, so write down this part. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.